Good morning. I am here in Ochakiv, and I stayed here last night. It's on the Black Sea, and today I'm taking like a 20-minute ferry ride across to the Kinburn Spit, which is a little peninsula that sticks out, and the tip is kind of close to here. And when I'm there, I'm going to be staying at a beach bungalow, which I'm pretty excited about, but also I'm a little bit nervous because I don't have that much information about this place, and I'm spending 2 nights there. So um, let's hope it's as cool as it looks. Right, so I've made it to the beach, and this is the boat I'm hoping to take to the Kinburn Spit. So let's see if they still have a place for me.
Hey, I'm Amy. I'm an American who's been living and working in Ukraine for more than 3 years. In the summer of 2020, I took my 5 weeks of vacation time and tackled my Ukraine bucket list. One of the items on this list was beach camping on the Kinburn Spit. It sounded really cool, but I also wasn't really sure if I could believe everything I'd been seeing and hearing. But there's only one way to find out.
So I survived the boat ride, and I'm here at Kinburn Spit. Basically, you end up on the very, very tip of the peninsula, and you sort of like can walk through a few trees, and there's another beach area like right here, which is probably pretty nice. I'm still pretty far away from my campsite, and I don't really know how to get there. I think there's a taxi to call, but I haven't had breakfast yet, so I'm gonna go. I think that's a cafe, so I'm gonna get something to eat and try to figure this out. So I feel like I've made a mistake by not figuring out how I was going to get from where the ferry dropped me off to the camp last night. And I thought about messaging the camp and being like, how should I do this? But I saw there was a number for a taxi. I've been trying to get in touch with my accommodation, and that has not been successful so far. So I don't know what to do next. I'm so bad at phone call conversations. I'm worried I'm just gonna make the taxi cab driver angry if I try and call him. Well, that ended up being a pretty interesting experience. I was gonna just like start walking, I guess, and hope that the people here at the campsite would get in touch with me. But I was eating at this cafe, and I was like, why don't I just go ask them if they can call me a taxi? So I walked in, and there was someone there who had a taxi or drove a car. I don't really know.
Наперед, назад, куда? Назад.
And they gave me a price, and it was kind of expensive. But to go like, I don't know how many kilometers we went, but we went 40 minutes on sandy roads.
Мужики тогда брали, они вышли эти шевролеты, брали тогда все. И продавали обратно, покупали.
In like a sturdy Russian Jeep, you know? It was worth it. And now I'm here. I don't know if they have any electricity or not. called Authentic Camp, and it is pretty authentic. Anyway, I can't like go to my bungalow yet because it's not finished. They're still building it. So they told me 2 hours. Anyway, while I'm waiting, why don't we check out the beach? Because it's like right here. Guys, it's really nice. And there's like nobody around. Okay, so the bungalow is not going to be ready, so instead I've gotten an upgrade to the giant TV. So let's check it out. Off your shoes, guys. Ooh! So the bed is like mattress on the ground, and there's a comforter. Nice pillow. This is really nice. There's even a little bit in the canvas open, so maybe I can see the stars. So today has been like a really calm, chill day once I got here. There's not really that much to do. Well, there is stuff you can do, but I just kind of wanted to relax a little bit. I think there's going to be a bonfire and dinner. And if I'm lucky, the skies will be clear and I can do some stargazing. There's a very upset child in the background. He's not having a chill time right now. Good morning. It's like 7:30 and I just woke up. And like, I can see a little bit of the sky and it looks so blue. I'm whispering because I don't think anyone else is awake yet. Let's go see outside. So I am going on a walk to the store. It should be about a half an hour, they said. I really should have packed a hat, but I did put on lots of sunscreen. So made it. It took about 45 minutes. Let's go check it out. Right, so I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of the campsite that I'm staying at. You can see there's this nice hangout area in the background. That's the teepee I've been staying in. Over here we've got some tents, and right here is access to the beach. These are the toilets. I'll leave the toilets to your imagination. They did say that this year a lot of their building supplies were significantly delayed, so they didn't get started sort of setting up and building as quickly as they wanted to, so they're still making improvements, but you're camping. These are the showers. You've actually got some water here to wash your hands or brush your teeth or whatever, and the showers come around here. And they turn on and off using this little spigot. By the way, the showers have like the most amazing view. I wish I had taken more showers. Maybe I should have taken more showers. Over here we have the bungalows. Over there it's a massage area, which I'm going to go to in a minute. Some hammocks to chill in. This is the kitchen tent. Food's really good. The remains of last night's bonfire. So this afternoon I'm just going to take a walk down the beach. The girls at the camp told me it takes 6 hours to reach the southernmost tip of the Kinburn Spit, so I'm probably not going to do that. But I'm just going to take a walk. I'm going to enjoy the beach. The sand is really soft. The water is different shades of blue. The weather's beautiful. This might be the best beach in Ukraine, at least on the Black Sea. And maybe you disagree with me, but you're gonna have to work pretty hard to change my mind, because this is amazing. This is so cool. I'm almost to the end. Google Maps thinks I'm like in the sea. This is so worth it. There are so many birds. I don't normally get excited about birds, but these look like they're really far away. Like storks. They kind of look like flamingos. I want to believe they're flamingos. I don't think they are. I don't think Ukraine has flamingos. Oh, but they're so cool. They're really far away, but there are so many birds. This is amazing. Look at all those swans. I'm gonna just hang out here for a little bit. It's awesome. Again, I'm not really sure what I'm doing, but the people at the camp said There was a bus that left at 7 from the lake store I was at yesterday, and it will take me to an 8 o'clock ferry, so that's what we're gonna try. Well, this is pretty promising. I've arrived to where I think the bus stop is gonna be, and there are other people waiting here who are looking at me strangely.